English learner. How are you doing, guys? I hope you all have been doing great. And I'm Sugupta here, and you are watching Learn with Sugupta. So, guys, tell me honestly, and out after watching a lots of English content on YouTube. Don't worry, guys. I have been going through this journey and this way multiple times. Yes, guys. When I was beginner, but after that, I got to know about one trick. How can you improve your English? Then after that, when I got to know about that trick and tips, since then I have been doing the same, and now you can say I can speak fluently with anyone. So guys, if you want to get fluency, if you want to learn this language, then you have to do one thing and you have to follow one way. And what is the that way? Okay guys, now I'm going to tell you. As in my old video, I have mentioned one thing. I You have to rate one story if you want to get fluency very soon. If you want to learn this language very soon, if you are totally beginner and you don't know how you can enhance your vocabulary power, how you can improve your English, then you can choose this way. So guys, today I have come up with one new and another story that can give you a lots of knowledge, and this story is going to be motivate you guys to do the same activities. Yes. So what is this story? Okay, so first let me narrate this story, and guys, no matter either my video will be watched by someone or not, but I know the importance of narrating story, and every day I do the same activities. For you guys, I know when you got to know and when you will check out my video, and if you will watch my video till the end, then definitely you got to know each and everything that which way should you go. Yes, guys. Talking about one story which I have come up with. So, guys, what happened yesterday? My all family members had gone to attend one of my neighbor's marriage ceremony, and my brother and I, we were at home. Since we were alone, so we didn't have anything to do. So I was sitting on the couch and watching the TV, and my brother was his room doing something. After that, suddenly I heard knocking sound. There was someone at the door who was knocking again and again. Then I called to my brother. It was around 8 o'clock in the evening. I called to my brother to check out that person. Then my brother went to there, and when he opened the door, he got puzzled. He got stunned after seeing there was a girl, and she was absolutely beautiful, gorgeous. She had long straight hair, she had intoxicated and limpid big eyes, and she had fair complex. And her dress was also good. So after seeing her, my brother got drawn towards her. Then I called to my brother, what happened? Who is at the door? Then my brother said, okay, so it's my neighbors. And then my neighbors also see. She also entered inside and said, okay, so I'm sorry for disturbing you, but just now I came back from office and I felt I lost my key somewhere. So please help me to break the lock. Then I told her, okay, you seem to be tired, so you just sit here for a while and take at least one glass of water. Then we will go together and definitely we will help you out. Then she said, no, I am fine, just I need to go my home. So please, if it will be possible now, then please go along with me and help me. So I told to my brother to take out something. My brother went inside the storeroom and he grabbed the hammer, and we went along with that girl. This is just a cock and bull story, guys. This is just imaginary story, and there is nothing in reality. Now you can see how I am narrating story, how I am putting the all words in one story. If you want to do the same, if you want to enhance your knowledge, then you should do the same kind of activities. Okay, guys.